Viewers, getting some big breaking updates coming in right now from Kolkata. We're getting to know some details where Bengali actress Payal Mukherjee was attacked by a biker in Kolkata amid ongoing protests, and she has shared a live video detailing the incident. In a separate video, Mukherjee also provided information about the attacker's bike. Actress Payal Mukherjee has been attacked. She's claiming she was attacked by a bike-borne miscreant on Friday evening. The actress recorded a video that you can see on your screens, narrating the entire ordeal. She shows the car window which was shattered and broken due to the alleged attack. And the actress is demanding action against the accused. So that is the video that you can see on your screen, viewers, where the car's window has been completely shattered, viewers. And she's explaining there that how she was attacked by a man who shattered the windows of her car. And you can see how the glass could be seen in the video and how badly the car glass has been shattered. And the actress has demanded strict action against the perpetrator. Now we will be connecting soon to Kishalay. Kishalay is joining us live. Kishalay, you know, that video shows what happened to the car, the vehicle. And this is happening in a very posh area of Kolkata called Southern Avenue. If you could take our viewers through the latest coming in, go ahead, Kishalay.
Well, exactly, Shivangi. This area, Southern Avenue, is in the southern part of the city, which is quite posh, and it houses many important government buildings and locations. Police stations are also very close by. Now, what happened, according to Payal Mukherjee, according to the video she posted online, she stopped her car at a particular location when a bike-borne individual came just beside the car and started asking her to come out of the car. Now, this is quite dangerous because it was quite late at the night. Now, when she did not come out of the car, when she refused to come out of the car, that particular person broke the window, glass window, and the actress got injuries on her hand. She had to almost flee. Later on, the Tollygunj police station arrested one person. This bike-borne individual, he was arrested later on by the Kolkata police. But stark questions about the woman's safety factor in Kolkata, in the roads of Kolkata, especially in such posh areas, in such important locations, is now again into discussion. Even as the all the protests are happening all over the city about the Abhaya case, another actress has been now heckled, and she has been in a way threatened, and her car window is also broken. She is quite shocked at this. She was saying, she was speaking to Republic Bangla a while back, and she clearly spoke how she afraid and shocked she is after this incident. Shivangi.
Right. Okay. So Kishalay, you know, that is the visual. You can see Payal Mukherjee was attacked by a biker. We'll try to play out more of what is in that video. But for now, if you could take our viewers through any kind of reaction has come from the authorities. Has there been any kind of reaction in terms of what happened online? Because, you know, this incident has sparked a huge debate online as well. It's gone completely viral on social media, Kishalay.
Well, of course, even at a time when the whole city and the whole country is protesting against Abhaya incident and asking for increasing security for women all across the country, especially Kolkata. In that particular period of time, another incident happens where a woman is attacked by a biker in a posh area in Kolkata, and her car window is completely shattered. She could well have been injured. What if she would have come out of the car? She could have been attacked. Now, the police arrested the individual. That is what the official position right now is, that the police already arrested that individual. They are trying to understand what caused this whole incident of this individual coming and attacking her car. But the question about women's security and whether women patrolling cars, police cars are there or not sufficiently across the streets of Kolkata in the night, whether police is taking appropriate action in putting CCTV installations and police vehicles all over the roads of Kolkata across south and the north is a question that remains to be answered, because online people are asking if such an important and popular actress is attacked like this just after the Abhaya incident, then what about the common women, common girls and the office goers who are traveling every night across Kolkata, and most of them return late at night after finishing their office? Now they could also face such a thing. Now how would this incident be stopped? What is the plan of Kolkata police in order to make the city secure for women is a question that Kolkata police still needs to answer.
Right, Kishan is getting us to top updates coming in, and those are visuals on your screen, viewers. We can see the actor Payal Mukherjee has shared a live video where she has spoken about the glass which was completely shattered off her vehicle. She recorded the video narrating the ordeal. She showed the car window which was shattered and broken due to the alleged attack, and has demanded action against the accused. And Kishan, we are trying to play out exactly what Payal Mukherjee had to say a short while back. But if you could take our viewers in fact, we have that exact reaction of Payal Mukherjee. Let's go and play out what the actress had to say, and then I'll come back to you, Kishan.
হ্যালো, আমি লাইভ সেভাবে আসি না আজকে। আমি একটা জিনিস দেখাতে, আমি যে কালপ্রিট তাকেও দেখাবো। আই ওয়াজ ড্রাইভিং অ্যান্ড সি কলকাতার সাদার্ন এভিনিউতে 27A, এটার সামনে আমি রয়েছে এই মুহূর্তে। পুলিশও এসেছে, ছেলেটিকে ধরা হয়েছে। ওখানে তার বাইকটা রয়েছে, প্রচুর লোকজন এখানে রয়েছে। এবং কলকাতা শহরে আজকে আমি এই কারণেই এলাম লাইভে, আমরা এত কিছু প্রোটেস্ট করছি, এত কিছু চলছে, তার মধ্যেও একটি মেয়ের মিনিমাম নিরাপত্তা বোধহয় আজকের ডেটে আমাদের এখানে নেই। এবং আমি সেই কারণেই এলাম। বাইকটা আমার গাড়িতে রাদার ওর টাচ হয়েছে হওয়াতে ও এসে আমাকে, আই ওয়াজ ড্রাইভিং, আমাকে এসে নক করে। আমি একটু কাঁচ নামাই এবং আমাকে বলে দরজা খুলতে, সাদার্ন এভিনিউতে। ওকে, আমি বলি যে দরজা আমি খুলবো না। আমি অবভিয়াসলি আমার একটা মহিলা হিসেবে আমার একটা সিকিউরিটির ব্যাপার আছে, আমাকে হি ক্যান মলেস্ট মি। তারপরে সাদার্ন এভিনিউতে, ইউ সি সাদার্ন এভিনিউতে এসে ঘুষি মেরে আমার গাড়ির কাঁচ ভেঙে দেয় এবং আমি এখান থেকে উঠতে পারছি না। পুলিশ এসেছে, পুলিশরা আমাকে এখান থেকে রেস্কিউ করবে, বিকজ আমার পুরো সব জায়গায় কাঁচের কাঁচ হয়ে রয়েছে। আমি এখান থেকে বেরোতে আমার